Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and Namecheap VPN. So as you get started in 2025, ExpressVPN and Namecheap VPN, which is the fast VPN, cater to different users' need in VPN market. ExpressVPN is renowned for its high-speed performance, robust security features, extensive server network across 94 countries. It employs advanced technologies like RAM-only server and the lightweight protocol, ensuring user privacy with a strict no-log policy. ExpressVPN is particularly effective for streaming, offering a reliable access to platforms like Netflix, BBC iPlayer. However, its premium features comes at a higher cost with a planned average of 8.32 per month, which is $8.32 per month. Conversely, Namecheap VPN, which is a vast VPN, offer an affordable solution to seeking basic VPN service. Price as low as $0.66 per month. It provides essential features like no log policy and compatibility with major platforms, while it can unlock a streaming service, and it's user-friendly for beginners. Like fast VPN has a limitation including a smaller server network and inconsistent speed. Additionally, some users have reported issues with app stability and server connectivity. And ultimately, if you prioritize top-tier performance, advanced features, or security and reliable streaming capabilities, ExpressVPN is the superior choice. But for conscious users need a basic need functionality, Namecheap VPN offer a cost-effective alternative, albeit with some trade offers in speed and reliability.